Ay de mí, llorona, llorona de azul celeste. Y aunque la vida me cueste, llorona, no dejaré de quererte, no dejaré de quererte.
In this video, I'll show you how to transform into Mama Imelda from Disney's Coco. So I'm just going to get my hair out of the way using a wig cap, and I use brown lenses. So I'm just taking NYX's white base, and I'm creating a thin line on the neck and then moving on to the chest area, and I'm turning it all white. Then I'm taking a black flash color from Makeup Forever, and I'm adding it to the sides of the neck to create a thinner looking neck effect. And then I'm starting to slowly form the bones using the same black. I'm just taking a brown shadow and I'm going all around the bones just to give them more of a 3D effect. Then I'm taking some brow wax and I'm warming it between my fingers, and I'm starting to slowly push up the eyebrows, and that's the best way to keep them as flat as possible. And then when I'm looking at them, you realize how much trimming your eyebrows need. Then I'm taking some translucent powder, and you need a powder puff or a beauty blender to do that, and pack it on. Then I'm taking a black pencil and I'm creating the shapes that I want to fill in, and I'm just blacking out that area. Then I'm going in with my white and slowly filling in the area that I left behind. As for the nose, I'm doing an upside down heart. I'm setting with powder with whatever areas I'm finished with, just to lock them in. I'm drawing in the eye shape and then filling it in with black gel eyeliner and the help of a fluffy brush, and filling in all the left behind areas with my white paste. Then going around the eyes with a little bit of brown, and then I'm taking a purple shadow and I'm applying it on the moving lid, going all the way up to the brow. And I added a little bit of silver in the center of the lid just for an extra pop, and went over it with the same purple shadow. Then I'm adding a few thin lines around the lips for wrinkles, and moving on to the lips, I'm using a cherry color. Then I'm taking some pink shadow and I'm creating little petals around the eye sockets. And then I'm dotting the centers with some purple eyeliner, and I forgot to film this part, so I'm just showing you guys over exactly what I did. And then some baby blue around the pink petals. Then I'm taking a little bit of blue and I'm creating this shape on the center of the forehead. I don't know what to call this shape exactly. By the way, all the eyeliners are from Lime Crime, and they're very pigmented. I really like these eyeliners. And then I'm taking a gold eyeliner from MAC and I'm creating these shapes on the cheekbones. They look like little branches. some mascara. I'm going in the waterline with a black pencil. And then I'm applying some exaggerated falsies. And this is the final look. And you can see how I drew my hand, I did my hand here for just the pictures. I went with a not very realistic look, but it was as it is in the cartoon. And I just did it very roughly, not my best work, I must say, just for the pictures. And basically this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.